Hey everyone. It's crazy to say this is the last video, but that's what it is. This is the last one. Just processing. Like this is it. This is actually it. It's kind of weird for me. Seems like it was taking forever and then it got here all of a sudden. But nonetheless, this is the wrap up video. Thank you all so much for all the things that you have said and done and little tidbits you provided along the way. I have learned a lot from you all. Interesting to see how things happen across the country. I wasn't quite sure how online would be with social work, but I think that I made the right choice. And I'm glad that I had the course with you all. Some of y'all I have seen kind of throughout have been on track with me. Others of you, I'm just getting to meet you with this course, but nonetheless, all good stuff. Appreciative of all the different personality types and backgrounds and just input that everyone has based on, the way that they see the world. So that was good. My internship is at my place of employment, which means I'm ending, but not ending. Um, but I am looking for a new position because I think, and I'm glad that it happened this way, but I think that because I was promoted at my job and also was working heavily in another department because of the internship, I kind of got privy to a lot of the different things that were going on in the agency. And that helped me to make my decision that I wanted to do something different. So when the semester started off, I was like, oh, this is perfect. I can kind of like step right into individual therapy at the site that I already work. I know some of the clients, I know the clinicians, I'm familiar with the electronic health filing system because, that's always something when you move to a different job, learning how to do the notes and learning their system. So I wouldn't have to go through that process. And I liked the location of the job. I liked the fact that it wasn't in my town just because I'd rather not run into clients at, like the grocery store and stuff like that. So everything kind of seemed like it was a good fit for me to just kind of stay where I was and grow with the company as I grew in my education. But as life does, things change. So I'm glad that I was kind of privy now to some of the things that are going on that I would rather not be involved in, some of the things that are going on that I feel like I need to take a different direction in. So don't know. I really want to explore a lot of different options. I want to explore a lot of different things, but we'll see what road I end up on. But with this degree in tow and with the information that I've learned and the things that you all have said and done throughout the time that we've been together, I feel like I have a better chance of finding my exact niche. And I love the fact that it's happening now in the beginning versus me kind of settling in and getting with clients and then wanting to make a change. So it's kind of a bittersweet situation for me because I'm not necessarily leaving right now, but I will be as soon as an opportunity presents itself. But I'm going to open up a new chapter as I'm, closing out this one. I'm opening up another one, so it's going to be a good transition. But thank you all for all of the tidbits again, all the things that you said and did. Thank you, Professor Baker, for all that you have done and said and suggested and, everything. I'm just really appreciative of this experience and the way that it happened. No regrets, not one. So thank you all so much. I wish you all the very best in everything that you do moving forward. I wish that I could say that I'll see you at graduation, but I finally decided that I'm going to save that flight for a family vacation. Family vacation is how I'm going to spend that money and that time. So, best to all. Take care. Remember that you are important. Try not to put everybody else before you because you got to keep your cup full in order to give to other folks, right? Do good. Take care.